Hello, it's Sierra with WTI, and please don't judge me, but this is the kitchen of someone who is incredibly unorganized. If you're anything like me, you will let them dishes pile up until it is so hard to scrub them and it takes forever. But not with Scrub Buddies. The scrubbing power on this little guy is actually phenomenal. It doesn't take me forever just to get one dish done. I mean, let's see how fast I can do this. You can use it on wood, glass, plastic, stone. Its soft, spongy side holds the soap in nicely so you're not constantly adding more and more dish soap. And the scratchy green side is durable and not super abrasive where your dishes are gonna get scratched. And boom, look at that. Dishes done. That quick. And do not even ask me what this mess is. Just admire how effortlessly the sponge picks up this grease. The shape is easy to hold, easy to grab onto. I use it to clean up the sink after I'm done washing the dishes. I use it to clean all of my countertops. It cleans up all the messes I've spilled, even the messes that I've left a little too long. So for a quick and effective clean, I'm using my Scrub Buddy sponge, and that's my point of view.